Jai Hind Cadets, myself Akarshika Singh, UP19 SWA 550665. Today we will be studying about camouflage and concealment. See cadets, it becomes very necessary to study this as camouflage and concealment helps you to protect yourself and your equipments from the observation of enemy forces. So what is exactly camouflage? Camouflage को हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं छलावरण, that is छल. Camouflage is an artificial measure adopted with a view to merge with the immediate background, and it prevents you and your weapons from being identified easily. For example, the shape of a helmet or human body can be seen easily, but if you're surrounded by plants or trees, or cover yourself or your helmet with the leaves so that you do not easily get identified by your enemy. Now, if I talk about that why things are seen, then following are the factors: shape, shine, shadow, surface, spacing, smoke, sound, or movement. I think this is easy and everyone knows it. Then we can also use disruptive patterns or clothing or camouflage of face and equipments. Like here you can see in these pictures. I will just Here you can see that how beautifully he has used the technique of camouflage. You cannot easily identify that one person is there, right? Now comes concealment. Concealment means art, barricade lena, right? So concealment is the art of hiding behind a natural or artificial cover with the view to conceal self and weapon from enemy's view. Natural cover used for concealment includes things such as bushes, grass, trees, and shadows. But man-made cover includes things such as battle dress uniform, camouflage net, and face paint, etc. Hence, we use camouflage and concealment to be able to reach close to the enemy without being identified in order to eliminate the enemy by surprise or to get information about him. And I must tell you that in earlier days it was said, if it can be seen, it can be hit. If it can be hit, it can be killed. But now in modern warfare we say, it can be seen, it will be killed. Now you can see the difference, right? Therefore, camouflage needs greater emphasis, and the art of camouflage and concealment reduces the different varieties of soldiers into two main categories, that is, the good and the dead. So that's it. It was a short topic,